Here we are on Wednesday, September the 4th. The final boats are coming back into the bay. It's been a really scorching day today, probably about 37 degrees, I don't know. It felt really warm. It was a real treat to go in the pool. Kazim is down there. He's been chopping away for a couple of hours now. He's marinating some chicken thighs in some sweet paprika with some milk. It smells absolutely gorgeous. He's made a stuffing out of chicken breast and mushrooms, and that's set to one side. And he's just a very fascinating guy to talk to. He's got so many stories. It's really interesting, and I can't wait for dinner tonight. It's going to be a highlight of my holiday. But meanwhile, up here on the balcony, it's about 5:30 p.m. I think, Kalkan time, and there is the famous Mediterranean up there. You can just see it. I hope you can see it with the lovely bougainvillea. And here is a famous sundowner, the Antler Special, which is some lovely vodka and tonic with some peach schnapps and some fresh slices of mandarin. Doesn't that look good? Happy Wednesday.